So this nice ash table that we have made here, ash top, Singer sewing base, has a scratch in it. Well, it has a couple scratches in it, as you can see, right here and right here. So this has already been finished with the Castle Brown from Rubio. Got a couple scratches in it when we were moving stuff around. So I'm gonna repair those scratches really simply. Basically, we're gonna go through our sanding grits, start at 80, go 120, then 150, and then we're gonna add a little bit more Rubio on here, and those scratches will disappear.
Rubio Monocoat is a hard wax oil finish. It's a great finish for wood because it's extremely durable and resists liquid very, very well. The really nice thing about it is that it bonds to the wood fibers. It doesn't just sit on top of the wood, it actually gets inside the wood and bonds right to the fibers, creating a really nice finish, leaving the wood feeling like wood without a plasticky film. Another great thing about Rubio is the fact that it's easy to touch up. Like in this case where we're fixing the scratches, you only need to repair the area that's affected by the scratch. If this was a different product like a spray finish, you would have to sand off the entire piece, respray, and start right over from the beginning. With Rubio, you just need to spot treat it. So that one spot where your scratch is, you sand it down, you apply some more Rubio, and you're finished.